Welcome to Creditfixrr. It's time to unlock your limits. Today, we're walking you through how to obtain your credit report quickly and securely, right from Creditfixrr.com. Understanding your credit report is essential for making informed financial decisions and maintaining a healthy credit score. Once you've logged into your Creditfixrr account, head over to the dashboard. Here, you'll find the option to enter your personal information and access your credit report. You'll be redirected to our trusted partner, Smart Credit, and allow Creditfixrr to import your full credit profile. Creditfixrr automatically scans your imported credit reports to identify violations, errors, and inconsistencies, so you don't have to go line by line. From Metro 2 formatting issues to FCRA violations and inaccurate balances, our system flags what's wrong and why it matters. Then, based on the type of account, Creditfixrr automatically generates the correct dispute approach: factual, Metro 2, or consumer law-based. Professional dispute letters are generated with just a click. You can review, edit, and approve them in seconds. Once ready, you can send your letters electronically. No printing, postage, or waiting. Plus, track every step of delivery inside your portal. From identification to dispute to delivery, Creditfixrr handles the heavy lifting, so you can focus on your financial goals. Ready to take control of your credit the smart way? Join thousands of users using Creditfixrr.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe on all platforms for more credit tips and updates.